Hey guys, I'm Sam.
And I'm Morgan.
And we are
the React Pack.
We're back with another episode of My Hero Academia. We're on episode 65, which is season 4, episode 2. On the last episode, we got introduced to this reporter, went undercover at the UA dorms. It seemed a little sus at first that we kind of thought he was up to no good. You know, he wanted to find a new successor after All Might. And, you know, that could put a lot of people in jeopardy. So we're kind of like, oh no, he's not doing it for the right reasons. Turns out he was doing it for the right reasons. And he kind of just needed to know for himself that there was hope. And him and Deku kind of formed like a little bond. And he's keeping his secret.
Yeah.
So it was a really heartwarming episode. And he has a cool quirk, can take photos from his body.
Yeah.
So he was destined to be a photographer. I don't know what other route he would ever go in life. But yeah, so that's what he's doing. Very fitting. So we're excited to watch the next episode. You know, we just started season 4. We're not really sure like what's gonna happen in this season. I mean, we're figuring it's gonna happen. We got introduced to the big 3 at the end of last season, so I think it's gonna be like kind of continuing off of that. But yeah, we're excited to get started. Make sure you check our Patreon. We're 4+ weeks in our diamond tier. We also have subtitled uncuts. In our rose quartz tier, we're 1 week ahead and can join in our monthly Q&As. Come hang out with us and ask us questions. Our amethyst tier, you can vote in our polls and join in our monthly game nights. Join our Discord, come chat with us, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you're notified every time we upload a new video, and follow all of our social handles down below at the React Pack.
Somebody commented the fact that I'll tell you in a minute. Oh, that's right. He was supposed to work with him, right? Or he wanted to.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh,
okay,
so that's
yeah.
him.
Okay, that is him.
What were you gonna say?
Because I think in one episode we were like asking where Deku's dad was, because he never really mentioned his dad before.
We saw in like the beginning of the show. Remember they had like smaller quirks? I think they showed him briefly, right? Remember when they were saying that the mom and the dad didn't have like strong quirks?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Like but what about it?
But you know how we always make fun of his tie?
Yeah.
It's because like his dad wasn't around. He said to help tie his tie.
There's Google.
I was
like, were you trying to make me feel bad?
Well, it made me feel bad. I was like, damn, there's been so many episodes where I like made fun of his little tie. Because remember, we just noticed it one day. We're like,
hey, Google exists, okay?
What about his mom though? His mom knows how to tie ties. It's not just men that know how to tie ties.
Yeah, and Google knows how to tie ties.
Google, I mean, shit. You got quirks. You must have Google.
But that makes me feel like a jerk.
That's what somebody said. I'm not sure. Oh, there's that girl again. What was that? What was his sidekick's name? Nighteye? Night.
Like Nighty.
Eye.
Nighteye. I can get it.
Nighty night. Night. Wait.
Like sleep. What's?
Night. Lullaby. Nighteye. I don't know.
You're confused yourself.
Oh, yeah, this guy.
Yakuza. Overhaul. Ooh, a new like little screen. Cool. She is that guy.
Smells dangerous.
A gang.
Protected species.
Interesting.
True.
To take over the world.
Oh. Oh, I like him.
Yeah. Damn. Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. Oh my god.
She's researching. Oh. Oh.
What the fuck? Oh, shit.
Oh, he just killed him. Oh, shit. He's raining his blood? Oh, shit. Alright, this season's gonna be crazy.
Bro, what the fuck? He's
He
gonna
just
kill
took-
that whole team.
Oh, my God.
Holy god.
He, like, boils their blood or
Yeah.
something.
Oh, he missed.
Oh, he had a shield?
Where did the shield come from? Oh, oh my god, look at... He just, like, rotted. Oh my god, he has a whole team.
I can't believe he killed that guy.
Oh my god, I know. Yeah, this is crazy.
I don't think we've seen anything like that on the show.
No. Not that, like...
Gruesome, yeah. It was raining blood. What is he gonna do twice for bringing him?
I don't think Twice did it. He didn't know.
Yeah.
That guy did die, though. That sucks.
Yeah, but he did attack him.
Yeah.
That guy lost an arm. He probably wants to join forces now. Oh. Yeah, you didn't need that guy carrying that giant magnet anyway.
Jesus Christ. The magician's arm, though. Fuck.
You can't turn anyone into little balls anymore. Marbles.
That guy's thing is crazy. That sucks. I like getting a little bit more insight on the villains.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Me too.
More death. Gore. He's playing with his
Why
tail.
is he always playing with his tail? Look at him at a little desk.
Yeah.
Oh.
？Personal feelings. Mike is so annoying.
He's such a brat.
That's me though. With you. No shit. You were the same way, I'm sure.
Oh, he is.
I'll give you my lookalike.
Aww. He's so cute. That's stupid. That's silly.
That's a good joke I would make. He's slow. Me neither. Oh, he's currently working under Nighteye.
That is a... He's not evil, is he?
No.
Remember the TV screen and this guy's always at a computer? He knows everything about All Might.
Oh. I forgot about that.
Yeah. Aw, little baby Deku.
Maybe not. I was worried that All Might was gonna end up like how he is now. Like weak.
Does he push himself too much?
Yeah.
He doesn't seem so happy. Wow.
Not Deku. Gonna get a lecture from him.
Oh yeah, they still have to get their licenses.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's funny. Not a thought behind those eyes.
He looks villainy. Oh god. So much pressure.
You judging him. Just because he's a little nerd doesn't mean he's evil.
He's behind a computer. He knows everything about All Might. I like him.
Yeah. She looks like that robot from that cartoon. Jenny?
Jenny?
Yeah.
She does.
I like the underboob.
Bubble girl. Yeah, her leg things.
Yeah. Evil!
That looked a little evil. What the fuck? No! Not the tickle.
Not the sex machine! The kink machine.
Not the kink machine. Oh god. Oh god.
Ew! I hate that.
Oh my god, I'm so uncomfortable! Why was that so uncomfortable? I feel like I wasn't breathing for the last half of that.
That's funny.
It's so good. I'm so, like, taken aback.
The little feather things, those are like sex toys.
She was strapped to a table. What the fuck?
Sidekick.
Oh god. Oh god, that was so weird. I was just not expecting that.
It was funny.
And then him trying to be funny. Oh my god. Okay. So Nighteye has a little kink
fetish. Laughing fetish,
Oh,
apparently.
God.
Oh. What?
Laughing.
Yeah. What?
But do we know his... okay. She was laughing and then he needed to make him laugh.
Yeah.
Is that part of his quirk?
I have no idea.
Oh. We don't know his quirk.
No. So what do you feel about the Yakuza guy in the beginning with the purge doctor mask? Not purge doctor.
Dude.
Plague doctor.
The plague doctor, yeah. He was crazy. I mean, what was he doing? He was boiling their blood, it looked like. It was like this like popping up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
sores or something. Yeah, he also had that little thing that he like had to put in their arm first. That looked like a little like bullet or something.
I thought that was what the magician was trying to do, and then he knocked it out. Oop. But maybe you're right. I don't know. I thought the magician was trying to do something.
Oh, maybe it was. Well, I thought because when Shomura had to go after him, he missed, and then that's when he called for the guy for the bodyguard. Shomura.
I think you mix his first name. Well, Tomura Shigaraki. I think you just combined.
Who was calling her?
Oh, but that's his real name. That's
what Toga was calling him. What am I tripping? Am I tripping?
Shigaraki. Tomura Shigaraki is like his fake
Tomura.
name. She called him Tomura. I think.
She did.
But you're not wrong because that's his real like name. Whatever Nina's.
Right.
Why do I keep calling her Nina? Nana.
Please don't ask me. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, he seems really strong. Scary for sure.
Magath. No, not Magath. That's AOT.
What the fuck are you talking
about? The guy that got exploded with the battery.
The magnet guy.
Is he a magnet guy?
That's what his quirk was.
Yeah.
It said something magnetic.
Yeah, he's gone. Bye.
Yeah. Oh my god, I didn't expect that to happen. Like
I
was like, holy shit. But no, I do like it too.
Puts
yeah.
more risk. I mean, I don't see that happening to like any of like the kids, but it was raining blood. It's raining blood.
Pretty intense. I mean, the season's starting off pretty well so far. I mean,
yeah.
I'm excited. I like the new characters. I like more of the risk factor that we're getting now.
Do you think Twice is gonna get punished?
I hope not. I kind of like him.
Yeah, we got introduced to him a little bit more, in that one episode.
Yeah, I don't think he was trying, like, he said that he wasn't being followed, and then he's like,
yeah.
Shigaraki was like, yeah, it's probably someone's quirk.
Yeah.
So, I think he understands that it wasn't his fault.
I mean, that's a powerful team to team up with. What do they call them? Yakuza or something?
Yeah, I don't know.
Name of the Yakuza. Yakuza means like gang in Japanese, right?
I don't know. Probably. I have no knowledge on it, so I don't know.
So Nighteye is like this lanky computer person.
Yeah, he's weird.
I mean, we haven't met him yet. I think we're supposed to feel a little sus about him.
Yeah, I mean, they're definitely, every time they show him, he's kind of in like a dark light.
Yeah.
Like, he could be evil. But I don't know, some of the things that like kind of makes it like, why did All Might stop working with him? You know what I mean? Like, he was under All Might for so long.
He probably like grew out of it.
Maybe. Yeah.
Grew out of being a sidekick. He probably, I feel like that happens,
true.
Right?
I guess people that don't, I just assumed that people that work underneath him, he was looking for those people to like give his powers to.
Well, he said that he can't face him right now because he turned out exactly what he had warned about.
Like All Might turned exactly? Yeah.
Yeah. And
you were saying that probably because he used all of his...
I feel like it's a heartwarming thing, like more like maybe Nighteye was like worried about him, like, and he got reduced to this state.
Yeah.
That's why I have a feeling. I mean, I don't have sus on him. I feel like it's like too obvious, like that he's being sussy. I think they want us to feel like he's up to no good, but I feel like he's fine.
But it's like, it is obvious, but at the same time, it's not because of Togata. He's like, he speaks so highly of him. Mm-hmm. Yeah, at one point you're like, oh, he does look sus, but then he's like, oh, no, he's great.
And he's like tickling people, and that's like the worst thing you can do to someone.
That's so strange. I hate being tickled. I hate that. Yeah. Very weird. His little weird tickle.
He's a weirdo. Weirdo.
Not kink shaming anyone, but just.
I mean, maybe not at work. Maybe after. That's an after work activity.
Maybe not in your office.
Yeah. Or I guess in your office, whatever.
I'm sorry. I was just so.
At least she's not like being hung from a ceiling or something like crazy shit.
I was just so taken aback by the whole scene. I can't even.
She was like under boob.
I know. Oh God.
So I was like, her titties go pop out.
Oh, so uncomfortable. All right. Well, thank you guys for joining us this time. Make sure to check us out on Patreon, Discord, and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.